This video will show the steps for uploading a video file that you have created outside of the Panopto recorder. For example, you may have a Zoom session recording saved that you want to put on your course's Panopto block for students to see. Panopto is used for this as its cloud servers can handle large video file sizes. It is assumed that you have already saved a video MP4 file from Zoom or another application, and that you know where the file is located on your computer. The Zoom application shows your recording file location in its settings for recording. Go to sebts.hosted.panopto.com and this will open your Panopto Recordings homepage. Click the Create button at the top and select Upload Media from the pull-down list. In the window that opens, click the Add Files To pull-down and select where you want to put the uploaded video file. If you are ready to add it to your course's Panopto block, you can select the course from the list. If you only want to upload it for now without adding it to a course yet, you can just select My Folder. Now you have the choice of dragging your file into the upload box or clicking the box and selecting the file location and clicking Open. When you see the message Upload Complete, you can close this window now. You can go ahead and close the upload window. Panopto will continue processing the video to the location you selected. You will return to the Panopto's Recordings homepage. To see the upload status, be sure you are viewing the proper location, either My Folder or use Browse to go to the file listing for the course to which you are uploading. The listing will show the status of the video upload. You'll see Processing and Publishing. These will disappear after the video is published, so you'll only see the video's title and when it was uploaded. While you are waiting for the file to be published, this is a good time to check the title of the video file to make sure it's descriptive of its content. Zoom videos typically are named Zoom_0 by default. To change that to a helpful name, hover your mouse over the video and click the Settings button. Click the Edit link in the Name row and change the name to something useful. For example, we'll use Zoom meeting of 5/19/2020 on class policies and click Save. Once the file is published to Panopto, it will have the new, more helpful name. If you upload it to My Folder, you can return to the Panopto Recordings homepage later and move it to the desired course. To do that, hover your mouse over the file and click the Settings button that appeared, and click the Edit link in the Folder row and select the course to which you want to move the video. Now, if instead of My Folder you uploaded it directly to the course, your video is already there. Now go to your course's homepage in Moodle to see if the uploaded video appears in the Panopto block. Ours has already shown up, but if you don't see it, here's how to sync it to the block. Click the Settings gear in the upper right of the course page and select Turn Editing On. Go to the Panopto block, click its Settings gear, and click Configure Panopto block, and click the Sync this course to Panopto link. Click Back to Config, and then return to your course's homepage. You should see the uploaded file in the Panopto block. Clicking the file name will open the video. Note that if you find you need to delete a video from your course's Panopto block, you can do that from the Panopto Recordings homepage for that course. Browse to that course, hover your mouse over the file, and click the delete button that appears. So that's how you upload a video file to Panopto on Moodle. Thank you.
That's the way they all became the Brady Bunch.